Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to cover up, like in the first video we have did with the board mass rule. So today's video we are going to cover up the MCQs based upon the fractions. Okay, so this is very easy guys, but you have to again think more, and then you have to understand that how you have to do the calculations. Okay, it's very easy. Fine. So again, for getting this, obviously we know this is a CS foundation, or you can say CSEET. Okay, so if you want to get this like whole playlist, so again, don't search in the video, come to my YouTube channel. In that YouTube channel, go to the playlist section, and in that playlist section you will get the CSEET/CS foundation. So if you will click that playlist, you will get the playlist of CS foundation. Okay, so now let's start. What is the sum of 1 by 4 and 1 by 3? So they said sum. So sum means plus. We have to do the sum of 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. Now this is very easy. Very easy things. Okay. You have to do sum of. So sum means this. Sum of 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Whenever understand thing, whenever you will get this type, either they will say to do the sum, or either they will say to do the subtraction. Okay, like this, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So what you can do here is just do the LCM method. LCM method, you will get the answer. So LCM method is very easy method. I am going to tell you by which you will get the answer like this. Let's focus here. LCM method means you have to do the two step. First step is multiply the denominator everywhere, either it is plus or minus. Multiply the denominator. If you will multiply the denominator, in your mind you have to keep the denominator is 4 and 3. If you will multiply the denominator 4 3 the 12, then in the denominator I will get the 12. In the denominator I will get the 12. Second thing is do the cross multiplication. So it is 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. So 3 1 the 3, 4 1 the 4, 3 plus 4 7, 7 by 12. Answer is 7 by 12. That's it. Or here if you will do, it will be 3 1 the 3 minus 4 1 the 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 12. Like this, whenever you have to do add or subtract, if you're getting like this, do the LCM method, you will get the answer. The answer is 7 by 12. Next, which fraction is equivalent to 2 by 5? Which fraction is equivalent to 2 by 5 means here they had given a fraction, so you just simplify it. So after simplifying the fraction, check in which you will get 2 by 5. That is the answer. So see, 3 by 7 it is not possible to simplify. 1 by 2 it is not possible to simplify. Now 6 by 10 or 4 by 10. 4 by 10 means if you will cancel by 2, the numerator you will get 2. By 10 if you will cancel by 2, you will get 5. 2 5 the 10. Yes, 2 by 5. This is because if you will do 6 by 10, if you will cancel by 2, 3 to the 6, 5 to the 10, 3 by 5. No. Answer is 4 by 10. So they ask which fraction is equivalent to 2 by 5. So all the fraction you have to simplify, and in which check you have to check in which you will get the 2 by 5. That is the correct answer. Okay. Next, if you multiply, okay, we have to multiply 3 by 8 by 2. Means we will multiply 3 by 8 by 2. That's it. What will happen? Numerator will multiply with numerator. That's it. 3 to the 6. 6 by 8. So 6 by 8 is not here, means we can simplify it. Or you can do there here only. You have to multiply 3 by 8 with 2. So 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8, 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is the answer. That's it. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 9? Reciprocal means ulta. 5 by 9 means 9 by 5. So see, for all those things guys, you should not have to use the calculator, no pen also, just in your mind. I can also do without the help of pen and paper or calculator or anything. Just why I am not doing, the reason behind is just I want to show you the step like how we have to do. Okay, so this means LCM method. This you can do directly. This also multiply means 3 to the 6, 6 by 8. 6 by 8 means what? 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, 3 by 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Then next is which fraction is smaller, 2 by 3 or 5 by 8? Guys, very simple thing, 2 by 3 or 5 by 8. So in your mind you can do 3. When you will divide this, it will not go 20. So we will put 0 point means 20. So 320 means 3 6 the, right, 3 6 the 18. So 2 carry, again point means 0. So 20 it will become again 3 6 the 18. So 0.66. When you will divide this, at least take the 2 digit or 3 digit after the decimal. Then only you will understand that which fraction is smaller. So here 8 5, it will not go to 0 point, means it will become 50. 8 6 the 48, right? 48 means again 2 will be there. Okay, 2 means 20. 2 will be there with this point, it will become 20. So 8 to the 16. So 0.66, 0.62. So which is smaller? 0.62 is smaller. So 5 by 8 is smaller. Okay. So this type of things you can do in your mind also without using the pen and paper. What is the difference between these two? Okay guys, again they ask the difference between these two. So again they had given what? They had given a this. Okay, fraction, and you have to find the difference, means you have to do the subtract. So subtract means what will happen here? Again LCM. LCM means the two step. First step is multiply the denominator. 12 6 the 72. We get to know, okay, denominator we are getting 72. Then cross multiply. 7 6 the 42. 42 minus 12 1 the 12. 42 minus 12, 13. 30 sorry, 30 by 72. Okay, 30 by 72 is not here, so we can simplify. So it will cancel by 6, right? So it will become 5 6 the 30, then 12 6 the 72. 5 by 12. Answer is 5 by 12. Guys, at least till 12 13 you have to know the table also. This is very basics math. Don't say, sir, this is very much hard, how can we do without the pen and paper? No, you should have to practice, then only you can do. And the calculation is, guys, you have to know the table till 13, squares till 20, cubes till 15. It will become easy for you. Which of the following fraction is in simplest form? Obviously, guys, we will just, which of the following fraction is in its simplest form? So we can just see 4 by 10. Yeah, we can simplify 4 by 10. 5 by 15 we can simplify. 6 by 12 we can simplify. 1 by 3 we cannot able to simplify. So which of the following is in simplest form? 1 by 3 is in simplest form. If you multiply, okay, we have to multiply 1 by 5 and 3 by 4. That's it. 3 1 the 3, because multiply means what will happen? Numerator will multiply numerator, denominator will multiply denominator. 3 1 the 3, 5 for the 23 by 20. That's it. Reciprocal of 1. So 1 means what? It is 1 only. So 1 by 1 means what? 1 only. Right? It is 1. So I can write 1 by 1. Reciprocal of this is 1 by 1. Okay. Now which fraction is larger? Again, larger they asked. So 3 by 7 and 4 by 9. We can do in our mind. So like 3 will not go. So we have to put the point. Point means it will become 30. 7 for the 28. 2 will be the remainder. With point it become 20. 7 to the 14. So 0.42. Let's see this. 4 will not go with 9. So 0 point means 40. Then 9 3 the 40 means 9 for the 36. 9 for the 36. Okay. Again 4 is there. So with point it will become 40. Again 9 for the 36. So 0.44, 0.42. So 0.44 is larger. So 4 by 9 is larger. That's it. What is the sum of 5 by 6 and 1 by 12? Again, guys, sum. Sum means we will do the LCM method, right? The LCM method means what? First method is multiply the denominator, 6 to the 12, and then cross multiply. 2 5 the 10 plus 6 1 the 6. So 10 plus 6, 16 by 12. 16 by 12 is not here. Then we have to simplify. 16 means it will get cancelled by 2. No, 4. Right. So correct, not 16 by 12. So let's cancel by 2 only. It will go 8 and it will go by 6. Then it will go by 4 to the 8. No. It will go 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6. 4 is to 3. So what is the sum of 5 by 6 and 1 by 2? 5 by 6 plus 1 by 2. So 6 to the 12. Then 2 5 the 10. 6 1 the 6. 10 plus 6, 16 by 12. It will go by 4 means 4 for the 16. 3 for the 12. After it will 4 by 3. Okay, should not be 3 by 4. It should be 4 by 3. Yeah, 4 by 3 is the correct answer. Which fraction? See, here the chance is there that they can give the wrong options. But In examination it is not possible. Okay, in examination every time they will give the correct options. Which fraction is equivalent to 3 by 9? Again, equivalent to 3 by 9 means we will have to cancel all this, means we have to simplify all this fraction and we have to check in which we are getting 3 by 9. So 1 by 3 is not possible, we cannot able to simplify. 2 by 6 means again 1 by 3, not possible. 4 by 8 means 1 by 2, not possible. So this is a 6 by 18 means what? 6 by 18 means it will get cancelled by 2. 3 to the 6, 9 to the 18. That's it. If you multiply 4 by 7 and 5 by 6, if you multiply 4 by 7 and 5 by 6 will multiply, the numerator will multiply with numerator, 5 for the 20 divided by denominator will multiply with denominator, 7 6 the 42, 20 by 42. फिर से उल्टा दे दिया. Okay, fine. Here 20 by 42 guys, we can simplify it. So it will become 10 to the 20 and then 2 means 2 to the 4, 21. 10 by 21, option B. What is the reciprocal of 0? So it is 0 by 1. Okay, reciprocal of 0, understand guys, see, don't put 0, reciprocal of 0 is 0 only. Moi will happen. Reciprocal of 0, so I will write 0 as what? 0 by 1. Obviously everything will be written like this. 0 means 0 by 1. Do the reciprocal, it will become 1 by 0. So 1 by 0. Okay, but very important thing guys, very important. Reciprocal of 0 by 1 means 1 by 0. A correct answer is 1 by 0. But if undefined is there, then we have to take the undefined, because 1 by 0 is not defined. So the reciprocal is not defined. Okay, because 1 by 0 is what? Not defined. Which fraction is smaller guys? Which fraction is smaller? So 2 by 5 or 3 by 8. So let's see. 2 means it will not get cancelled, so I will use 0. 0 point means 20, so 5 for the 20. Okay, 0.4. This means point I will use, it will become 30, so 8 3 the 24. It is coming 0.4, it is 0.3. So which fraction is smaller? This 0.3. 0.3 means 3 by 8 is smaller. Again, what is the sum of 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4? So multiply the denominator, 3 for the 12, then cross multiply, 4 to the 8, 3 3 the 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 by 12, 17 by 12. कि भैया काहे कर रहा है भैया इसम. What is the sum? Sum of 2 by 3. Sum of 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. 3 by 4, huh? So LCM method means 3 for the 12. Then 4 to the 8 plus 3 3 the 9. 9 plus 8, 17 by 12. अरे ओ भैया ये क्या कर दी रे. चलो अगर हम लॉन्ग मेथड से भी ट्राई करें तो 3 4 तो वही आएगा भाई. 3 1 the 3, 4 4 1 the 4, 4 to the 12, डिनोमिनेटर इज 12, तो यहाँ पे 4 4 to the 8 plus 3 3 the 9. हाँ, 17 by 12 guys, answer is 17 by 12. okay, it happens. ऐसे बड़े बड़े कैलकुलेशन में छोटी मिस्टेक्स होती रहती है. Okay, see, as I have told now, here the chances is that we can get the wrong options, but in examination wrong option is not possible. So just you have to know the process. Which fraction is equivalent to 6 by 10? Which fraction is equivalent to 6 by 10? Understand one thing guys, 6 by 10 I can able to simplify it more. If you simplify it will become 3 to the 6, 5 to the 10. So 3 by 5. 3 by 5, that's it. 3 by 5. If you multiply this, we will multiply 5 by 8 into 2 by 3. So see, numerator multiply with numerator, 5 to the 10, denominator multiply with denominator, 8 to the 24. So 10 by 24 is there? Yes, 10 by 24. What is the reciprocal of 7 by 11? The reciprocal of 7 by 11 is 11 by 7. Which fraction is smaller? 4 by 9 or 2 by 5? Obviously guys, this is the 0.40. So 9 for the 36. Again 4.40. 9 for the 36. 0.44. This is 0.20 means 4. 0.4, 0.44. Which fraction is smaller? 2 by 5. What is the sum of this? Oh bhaiya, sum means what we will do, just we will multiply the denominator, 8 for the 32 and then cross multiply, 8 3 the 24, 4 1 the 4, 24 plus 4 28 by 32, 28 by 30. Okay, we have to simplify. So guys, it will go by 7 for the 28, 8 for the 32, 7 by 8, 7 by 8. Yeah, which fraction is equivalent to 9 by 15? See, 9 by 15. Okay, again it will get simplified, 3 3 the 9, 5 3 the 15, so 3 by 5, 3 by 5. If you multiply 2 by 7 and 4 by 5, so numerator will multiply with numerator, 2 for the 8, denominator 8 by 35. Now it will not get cancelled, 8 by 35. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 3? 3 by 1, 3 by 1. Okay, they can write 3 by 1 or 3, both are same. Which fraction is smaller, 5 by 6 or 7 by 8? So it will get 0.50. 50 means 8 6 the 48. Okay, 2 bacha means 2 remaining, point means 20, 6 is the 18, 0.83. Let's see this, 0.70. So 8 8 the 64, 8 9 the 72, 8 8 the 64. 6 will be the remaining, 6.60. 60 means 8 7 the 56, 0.87. Which is smaller? 5 by 6 is smaller. चलो भैया, अरे आ जाओ रे भैया. See, very simple thing. Sarah baked a pie and divided into 8 equal slices. So total slice is 8. She and her brother Shubham each ate some slice. So Sarah had 3 by 8. So Sarah ate 3 by 8 and Shubham had 1 by 8. Shubham ate 1 by 8. How many slices are left? See, very simple thing, is very simple thing. Sarah baked a pie and divided into 8 equal slices. How many slices? 8 slices. So see, the denominator is 8 and 8. So we don't care about the denominator. Okay. So what we have to do is just add the numerator. 3 means 3 Sarah had 8, 1 Shubham had 8. So 3 plus 1, 4. Out of 8, 3 Sarah had 8 and 1 Shubham had 8. So 3 plus 1, 4, they 8. The total slice was 8. 8 minus 4, remaining 4 slice. Why we did like this? Because the denominator are same. The denominator are same, and in the examination they will give the same denominator only. Because different denominator means it will be a long method. You have to definitely use the pen and paper. So here guys, understand, total piece was 8 and the denominator was 8. So that's why we should not have to do anything. Just add the numerator, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, or you can do like this, or nahi to bhaiya ye kar lo. 3 plus 1, 4. So total is 8. 8 in that 4 they had 8. So 8 minus 4, remaining is 4. Otherwise you can do like this. 3 by 8 Sarah 8, 1 by 8 Shubham 8. When you will add, it will become 3 plus 1, 4 by 8. So it will become 1 by 2. So half Sarah and Shubham, they ate half. So 8 half is how much? 4. They ate 4, remaining is 4. Okay. Or just the simple thing is this, Sarah ate 3 by 8, Shubham ate 1 by 8. Total slice is 8. Total slice and the denominator are same. So what we will add the numerator. So 3 Sarah had 8, 1 Shubham had 8. So 3 plus 1, 4. They ate 4 pieces. So out of 8 pieces, they ate 4 pieces. So remaining is 4 slice. What is 0.1 as a fraction in simplest form? Guys, 0.7 means you will remove this point, it will become 10. 7 by 10. That's it. Which of the following is equivalent to 0.25? 0.25 means remove this. It will become 25 by 100. Okay, then we know 1, 4. 1 is to 4. 1 by 4. What is the result of, guys? Very simple thing. 0.6 divided by 0.2. Point will get cancelled. 2 3 the 6. Answer is 3. Now if you add 0.45 to this much, so we have to add, what we have to add? We have to add 0.45 to this much. So 1 plus 0.2 is, guys, what? 1.2. Right? 0.45 plus 1.2 means what will happen? See, 1.2, this is a 2 digit. What I will write? 1.2 means 1.20. Correct? So 45 plus 20, it will become 65, and 0 plus 1 is 1. 1.65. Okay. What is the decimal equivalent to 3 by 8? 3 by 8. Oh, so nothing we will do, guys, just will divide. So it will be 0, 3 will not go, the point means 30. So 8 3 that 24. Then remaining is 6. Again it will not go with, so 0.60. 60 means 8 7 the 56. So 0.37, this one 0.37. Which of the following is the largest decimal number? Largest decimal number, guys. See, all are 0, 0, 0, 0. So what is this is? 0.09, 0.009, 0.45, 0.75. Obviously 0.75 is the largest. The largest decimal number. What is the product of this? Just multiply, guys. 0.4 multiply by 0.5. So 5 for the 20, right? See, multiplication is very simple thing, guys. 0.4 into 0.5. So what we will do? 0.4 into 0.5 means just we will do 4 5 the 20. 4 5 the 20. And after how many digits we have a decimal? 1 digit here, 1 digit here, 2 digit. So 1 1 2. So 0.20. 0.20 means I can write like this also, 0.2. Correct answer. If you subtract 0.5 from 0.3, sorry, 0.15 from 0.3, 0.3 means what, guys? 0.30. Okay, and then if you subtract 0.15 from 0.3, so 0.3 means what? 0.30. And from that we have to subtract 0.15. What will happen? 30 minus 15 is 15, and point will be here to 0.15. 0.15. See, this much easy calculation, easily you can wait and you can think and you can do. Okay, what is the decimal equivalent to 5 by 20? Just we can cancel, guys. 5 by 20 means what will happen? 5 will not go. So 0 point will come means 50. So 20 to the 40. 10 will be remaining. 10 point means 100. So it will become 25 the 100. So 0.25. See what we have to do, just one step, just one step, just one step, one step, one step, one step. So these all one step, see all these one step. These all one step, if you will practice now, you can easily solve in your mind only. Just you can see the questions, you can just multiply in your mind only. All are, you can see the just one steps, and we are doing how many pages? 16 pages, guys. Almost every page consists of, see this page, 5 questions. So how many questions we will see the total? Okay, oh my god, 31 questions. So we did with 35 questions is done here. Then after that, okay, this is starting without a question number. 1 2 3, okay, 35 plus 3 38, and then it's starting from 1. It's starting from 1. Okay, 35 plus 3 38, and then 38 plus 28 48 58, almost 60 questions. See, from one topic we are doing 60 questions. Again, from the board mass we did a lot of questions. So that's why if you practice these many questions, you will become perfect. Okay, now simple thing, guys. Product of 0.09 and 0.007. So just multiply the number. What we know? 9 7 the 63. What we know? 63. And after that, guys, we have to see that after how many, like how many digits we have a point. So here you can see 1 2 3 after 3 digit, and 1 2 after 2. So 3 plus 2 after 5 digit. So after 5 means 1 2 3 4 5. Correct, like this. What we have to do? First multiply the number. 7 9 the 63. Done with the number? Yes sir, done with the number. After that we have to see that, after decimal how many points, sorry after decimal how many digits, or you can see after how many digits we have a decimal. So here after 3 digits, here after 2 digits. So 3 plus 2 after 5 digits. So after 5 digits means from here we have to make after 5 digit 1 2 digit. So remaining digit will substitute 0 3 4 5. The answer is this, 0.306. yeah. Okay, Johnny consumes 1600 milk every day. How many liters of milk he consume in 4 weeks? Very simple, guys. They asked in liters of milk. It is given ml. So 1600 ml means 1.5 1.6 liter. 1.6 liter. So 1.6 liter in one day. Okay, 1.6 liter in one day. So in 1 week, how many days? 7 days. In 1 week, 7 days. So in one day 1.6 liter. So in 7 days how much? So 1.6 is nothing but 16. 16 1 the 16, 16 to the 32, 16 3 the 48, 16 4 the 64, 16 5 the 80, 16 6 the 96, 16 7 the 112. 112. After how many digits we have a decimal? After one digit. So we'll put after one digit, 11.2 liter. So 1.6 liter in one day. So in 1 week means in 1 week 11.2 liters. So we have to find for 4 weeks. Multiply with 4. 4 to the 8. 4 1 the 4. 4 1 the 4. 44.8. 44.8 liter. Value of 42 divided by 10,000 decimal. 10,000 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 4 digit we have to put the decimal. After 4 digit to 1 digit, 2 digit, and the remaining 2 digit will substitute the 0. So 0.0042. 0.0042. What is 3 by 4 of 24? Guys, very simple thing. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 of means multiply 24. Right? 3 by 4 means 3 by 4 of means what? Multiply 24. See, 4 1 the 4, 4 6 the 4 6 the 24. So 6 is the 18. 18 is the answer. That's it. One step, guys. One step you will get the answer. One step. That's it. Just you have to use a small brain. A step. Which of the following fraction is equivalent to 1 by 5? 1 by 5. So it is not possible. It is not possible. 3 by 10 is not possible. 3 by 15. Yeah. 3 by 15 is possible because 1 5. 1 by 5. What is 0.75? Okay, fraction is simplest form. 0.75 means what? We'll remove this point. So after how many digit? 2 digit. So 20 will come. 75 by 100. So 75 by 100 means simple thing, guys. It will go by 5. So 5 1 the 5 to 25. 15 5 the 75. It will go by 5 to 20. 15 by 20 is not here. So again it will go by 3. 3 5 the 15, 4 5 the 20, 3 by 4. I know you will say, sir, this much big calculation you are doing by pen. How we will do with the help of, without the help of pen and paper? Bhai, you can do. As I am solving with the pen now, what you do, you also first solve with pen. You also first solve with pen. Then after that, the same question, just now try with without pen and paper. The 0.75 point will go there, then 100, 75 by 100. So it will go by 5. The numerator will be 15 5 the 75, 15. The denominator will be 100. 100 means 20, 25 the 100. So 15 by 20. Then again it will go by 3. 3 by 15, and then means it will go by 5. So 3 5 the 15, and then down will be 4 5 the 20. So 3 by 4 is the correct, like that. So first what you have to do, guys, first you will do with the help of pen and paper. Then the same question you do without the help of pen and paper in just the brain calculation. Okay. Which of the following is the largest decimal number? Largest decimal means this is 0.45. This is 0.5. 0.5 means nothing but 0.50. Okay, this is 0.55. 0.6. Obviously 0.6 is the largest. What is the decimal equivalent to 3 by 8? 3 by 8 means, guys, just divide it. So 0 point means 30. So 8 3 the 24. So 6 will be remainder. Point means it becomes 60. So 8 7 the 56. 0.37. 0.37. I think that this question is repeated. Decimal of 1 by 6. Guys, 1 by 6 means just divide it. 1 means it will not go. Point means 10. So 6 1 the 6. 4 will be there. With point it will become 40. 6 is the 36. 0.16. Okay. What is the fraction equivalent to 0.2? 0.2 means, guys, see, this point will go, it will become 10. So 1 by 5. 1 by 5. What is the decimal? Okay, what is the decimal of reciprocal of 5 by 10? Guys, you have to find the decimal of reciprocal of 5 by 10. So 5 by 10, I will do the reciprocal. It will become 10 by 5. So 10 by 5 means you can do 5 to the 10. So they said, what is the decimal? What is the decimal of reciprocal of 5 by 10? So 5 by 10 reciprocal is 10 by 5. 10 by 5 means 5 to the 10. So 10 by 5. You can take this. 0.5 is not possible. 5 by 10. No. Mujhe maaf. Guys, it will not be the answer. Okay. It will be like none. Okay. Okay. Which of the following fraction is greater than 1 by 2? So which of the following fraction is greater than 1 by 2? 1 by 2 means 0.5. So which is greater than 0.5? See, 5 by 2 means sorry, 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means it will become 0.20. So 5 for the 20. Oh, it's smaller. Then 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 0.3 means 30. So 4 7 the 20. Yeah, this is bigger. 3 by 4. What is 0.4%? Very important thing is 0.4%. So it is 0.4% means what? 100, right? Percent means divided by 100. So what will happen? This point will get removed, 1 0 will come here. So now it will become 4 by 1000. 4 by 1000 means 1 2 3. After 3 digit we have to put the decimal. So this is the 1 digit, then again the 2 digit will come, 1 2 3 here, 0.004. Okay, if you add 1 by 3, I am adding 1 by 3 to 2 by 5. So do the LCM method. 5 3 the 15, then cross multiply. 5 1 the 5, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 5, 11 by 15. 11 by 15. What is the fraction equivalent to this? Okay, 0.125. So we will remove this point, we will get a 0.1230. Right, we know this basic calculation. So it will go by 5. So 5 to the 10, okay, 25. Then go 5 5 20 200. So I see 25 on the 25, 25 for the 100, 25 8 the 200, 1 by 8. If you subtract 0.25 from 1.0, very simple thing. From 1.00 we have to subtract 0.25, so 0.75. What is 3 by 5 as a decimal? Oh, 3 by 5 as a decimal. 0.30 means 0.66. What is the decimal equivalent to? Okay, decimal equivalent to 3 divided by 0.04. What I will do, I will remove this point. So here 2 digit after the point means 20 will come. So 300 divided by 4. 300 divided by 4 means, what is the decimal equivalent of this? 300 divided by 4. Obviously 70. See, 4 1 the, so 30 we will take. So 4 7 the 28, 2 remainder 20. So 4 5 the 20. 75 is the correct answer. So do one thing like as only. First guys, you solve with pen and paper. Then the same question you keep the pen and paper down and try with the brain calculation. I will tell you, you will become perfect in this. If you multiply guys, multiply 1 by 4 into 0.5. So what will happen? You will multiply, so it will become 0.5 by 4. Correct? So now remove this, it will become here. So it is 5 on the 5, 81 by 8. So 1 by 8 means what? 0. It will become 10. So 8 1 the 8. So 0.1. 0.1 is where? 0.1 is here. Answer. Okay. Because 1 into 0.5 is 0.5. 0.5 by 4. If you remove this point, so after 1 digit we have a decimal. So 1 0 will come. You know this is a very basic math calculation. Now don't say sir, we don't know. What are the decimal equivalent of 2 by 3? So 2 means it will become 0. It will become 20. So 3 6 the 18, again 2 20, 3 6 the 18, 0.6 this one. If you divide 0.6 by 2, guys, 0.6 by 2 means what will happen? This point will, I will remove this point. If I will remove this point, what will happen? 1 0 will come down. So 6 divided by 20 means 0.6 will not go, so point means 0 will come. So 23 the 60, 0.3. Which of the following fraction is equivalent to 0.09? So I will remove this point. 2 digit is there, so 20 will come. 100. 9 by 100. Okay, we know this, right? If you will remove this point, so we'll see after point how many digits are there. 2 digits. So how many digits are there? That means 0 we will write. What is the fraction equivalent to 0.3333 repeating? Okay, 0.33 is 1 by 3 only. 1 by 3 means 1 3 divided by 1, 0 point means it will become 10. 0.33 the 9. Again 1 means 10. So again 3 3 then yeah, this is the answer. Okay, now if you have 3 by 4 of the pizza left, so you have 3 by 4 of the pizza left, and you ate half of what is left. Okay, how much pizza have you eaten? Very simple, guys. You have 3 by 4 of pizza left. You have 3 by 4 of pizza left, and you eat half of what is left. Okay, so you eat half of what is left. So what is left, from that you eat half. Half means what? Divided by 2. Correct? What is left, you eat half of what is left. So what is left? 3 by 4 is left. In that you eat half. Half means what? Divided by 2. So guys, we know this thing, how we are going to write. If the numerator is in fraction, I will write the numerator as it is. Then what we will do? The denominator will become reciprocal. Denominator will become reciprocal. How it will become reciprocal? This divide sign will change into multiply, and this 2 by, this is what? 2 means 2 by 1. It will become 1 by 2. So 3 by 8. So how much pizza have you eaten? 3 by 8 pizza you have eaten. So 3 by 8. See, if a recipe calls 1 by 4 cup of sugar, so you will bring 1 by 4 cup of sugar. You want to make half of the recipe. Guys, you want to make half of the recipe. So what is the recipe? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is the recipe. You want to make half. Half means what, guys? Divided by 2. Correct? Whatever the thing is there, you want to make half means divided by 2. It will become half. So what will happen? See, again, the numerator is in fraction. So we'll write the numerator as it is. Now what will happen? This divide sign will get changed into multiply, and this denominator will become reciprocal. So 1 by 8. 1 by 8 cup. You have a rectangular piece of paper. Rectangular piece of paper. 8 inches long. Means length is 8 inches. 6 inches wide. Breadth is 6 inches. Length, breadth. What is the ratio of length to width? We have to find the ratio of length to width. The length is 8 is to 6. So 8 is to 6. 8 is to 6. Now see here, if you will cancel this, 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6, 4 is to 3, 4 is to 3. Now you will take 8 is to 6 or 4 is to 3. We will take 4 is to 3. The reason behind is every time ratio should be in simplest form. Yes, every time the ratio should be in simplest form. So 8 by 8 is not answer. 8 by 6 is not answer. 4 is to 3 will be the answer. We have to do in a ratio should be in a simplest form. Okay. ठीक है? Yes sir. Okay, now if you have a jar with 25% red marble, 25% green marble, 25% black marble, and 15 of them are white. Means guys, we are talking about percentage. Percentage means total means what? 100. Because percent means what? Total is 100. Percent means what? Total is 100. So I see in total 100, 25 is red, 25 is green, 25 is black. So 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 25, 75. And then remaining what? 25% will be white also. 25% will be white. So they asked, how many marbles do you have? Simple thing, I see. 25% you have white. 25% white. That means what? They said 15 of them are white. Means 25% white means 15 is the white. So what you have to do, they asked how many marbles do you have. So 25 by 100 into the number of marbles we have equals 15. Very simple guys, we will do this. It will become 0.25 into x equals 15. So x will be what? Now okay, now see here, बहुत simple है, very simple thing here. We should not have to do the long calculation and all. See, understand here. They say 25 red marble, 25 green marble, 25 black marble, and the remaining will be white, because total is what? 100%. So total is 100, in which 25 red, 25 green, 25 black. So remain total is 75 marble is done. So remaining how many white? 25% is the white. 25% is the white. So they said 25% is the white, means 15 is the white marble. 25% is the white marble. So 15 is the white marble. So they asked how many marbles do we have. So see, 25% of overall marble is what? 15 white. So guys, very simple thing we have to do. Once you will do this, you will get this 0.25 into x equals 15. So guys, see 0.25. So how many times we will multiply 0.25? So it will become 1. 0.25, how many times we will multiply? It will become 1. 4 times, right? 0.25 into 4 means what? It will become 1. So for getting 1, we are multiplying 4 times. So for getting 15, 15 for the 60 times. So answer is 60. That's it. So they said 25% white marble means 15. So how many marbles? So 25% of overall marble means 15 marble. So once you will do, you will get like this. 0.25 into x equals 15. So guys, see 0.25 into how many times we are doing? So we are getting the 1. So we are multiplying 4 times. So 0.4 we are multiplying 4 times. So we will get 1. Okay. So how many times we are multiplying? We are multiplying 4 times. So 15 into 4 total will be 60. Okay. I know this one question they will give like, like in 5 years, 4 years, one question they will give like this. If you multiply 0.54 into 5, right, very simple thing. 5 for the 20. 20 after how many digits we have a decimal? Here we don't have a decimal. Here we have a decimal after 1 digit. So after 1 digit we'll put the decimal 2. Answer is 2. See, only this question number is 24. Apart from this, we will not get that type of questions. Okay. So it happens, guys. Once upon a time, they will ask this type of questions. Okay. If a recipe calls for 1/3 cup of flour, you want to make 1/3. Guys, we have a 1/3 of the cup, and you want to make 1/3. You want to make 1/3. Sorry. You want to make 1/3 of the recipe. 1/3 of the recipe means divided by 3. Correct. If suppose you have 50 rupees. You have 50 rupees. And I will say you have to make half of this. Half of this. Half of this means divided by 2. It will become half. Correct. So if I will tell you, you have a 30 rupees. You have to make 1/3. 1/3 means what? This 30 will get divided into 3. So 1/3 means divided by 3. So everyone will get 10 rupees. That is a 1/3, right? So like that only, guys. Here also we did. Here also, like 1/4 cup of sugar, we want to make half. Half means what? Whatever they had given divided by 2. It will become half. So whenever you will get like this, and see here, 3/4 of the pizza you eat half. So 3/4 was the total in which you eat half. Half means divided by 2. Don't do like this, guys. 3/4 you eat half. Half means this half. No. It will become wrong. Half means what? How you will make the half? How you will make the half? Divided by 2. Then only it will become half, right? Yes. So whenever you will get like this, the numerator is in fraction. So I will write the numerator as it is in the fraction. Then what we will do? We will remove this divide sign. It will get converted into multiply. And the denominator will become reciprocal. See, the numerator, what is in the fraction, it will written in a fraction. Then the divide sign will get converted into multiply, and the denominator will become reciprocal. Denominator will become reciprocal. The denominator is 2. 2 is nothing but 2/1. The reciprocal is 1/2. So understand, this is very important, guys. You are eating half means divided by 2. Don't do divided by 1/2. That is a half, sir. No. So same here, guys. 1/3 of the cup of flour was there. You want to make 1/3 of the recipe. 1/3 of the recipe means don't do like this. 1/3 divided by 1/3 means this 1/3. No. 1/3 means divided by 3. Okay, 1/3 means divided by 3. Half means divided by 2, right? If I will say make it half, then you will do divided by 2. If I will do make it 3, like 1/3. Okay, may 1/3 means what? Divided by 3. It will get into 1/3. So that's why they said 1/3 cup of flour is there. You want to make 1/3. 1/3 means divided by 3. So what will happen? Numerator is in fraction. We will write the numerator as it is in fraction. Then it is a divide sign. Divide sign means it will get converted into multiply sign, and this the denominator will become reciprocal. So 3 means 3 by 1. So reciprocal means 1 by 3. So multiply means numerator will multiply with numerator 1 divided by denominator will multiply denominator. So it's either 9. 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Oh, last. A biryani dressing recipe calls for 1 by 4 cup of rice. 1 by 4 cup of rice. If you want to make the biryani for a party, okay, of 20 guests, how much rice do you need? Guys, very simple thing. You want to make it for 20, right? You have a 1 by 4 cup of rice you want to make for 20. So what will happen? Directly, how much 1 by 4, how much you will multiply? So you will get 20, guys. Chalo, bolo. So if you multiply 1 by 4 is 1, no. अरे नहीं उल्टा हम बोल दिए, sorry. Okay, now guys see here, a biryani dressing recipe called 1 by 4 cup of rice. We have a 1 by 4 cup of rice. If you want to make the biryani party for a 20 guest, how many rice do you need? We are making for 20 guests. So what the simple thing, guys, we should not have to do anything here. We have to do the simple thing here. Whatever the 20 is there and 1 by 4 is there. Okay, now just check it out. This is a 4. This is what? This is the 4. Okay, this is the 4 means how much you will multiply with 4, so you are going to get the 20. Very simple thing. As here they didn't say that we have to make the like 1/2 or 1 by 2, 1 by 3rd. See, if they will say that, you suppose 1 by 4 cup is there. Okay, 1 by 4 cup of rice is there. You have to make half. Half means what? If I will say that you make half. Half means what you will do? Divided by 2, right? Or if they will say 1 by 4 cup of rice is there, make 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means from 1 you have to divide into 2. Means half only. Correct? So same here they did 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means don't think divided by 1 by 3. No. 1 by 3rd means divided by 3. 1 by 3 means for 1 you have to divide into 3 parts. 1 by 2 means 1 you have to divide into 2 parts. Right? 1 by 2 means 1 you have to divide into 2 parts. 1 by 3 means 1 you divide into 3 parts. Right? We will do na chai, we will bring, we will say do 1 by 2. So 1 chai will be in 2 cup, is divided by 2. Right? Or one chai we will say do 1 by 3. Means 1 chai will divide it into 3. So divided by 3. So but here in this question number 28 they didn't mention anything that we are doing 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Didn't mention anything. Just what they mentioned that 1 by 4 cup of rice is there. If you want to make the biryani party for a 20 guest, how many rice do you take? Simple, guys, 20 guest. So very simple thing. Whatever if they ask this type of questions, whatever number is given divided by this 4. So 20 divided by 4. So it will become 4 5 the 20. Answer is 5 cup. That's it. So guys, this is done for the fraction before we did for the board mass. So like this only, guys, we will solve lots of videos. I'm going to make a lots of videos which will cover all your LR and quantity aptitude, logical reasoning and quantity aptitude parts. So please keep on doing the revision. You will easily score a good marks. And one more thing, guys, first see one steps you have to do. So what you do, first you solve with pen and paper. Okay, then after that the same question you hide the answer. Don't use pen and paper. Now use the brain calculation. So what will happen once you will solve with pen and paper, the process will be in your mind. So next time when we will not use the pen and paper, then you will use that process in the mind and you will find the answer. That process then you will use in the mind and you will find the answer. If you will think that every time you will solve with pen paper, then mind process will not work. Or if you will only start solving with the direct with the mind paper, direct with the mind process, then the mind will not work properly. So what you have to do is, first you have to solve with the same problem. You have to solve with pen and paper. So when you will solve with pen and paper, don't do a long method, just short method. Pen and paper, 1 or 2 steps. The pen and paper, how I did. So that same method will go in your mind. So next time, without using pen and paper, solve the same question just with a mind. So what will happen? Your mind will access the process. So after 10 questions, 15 questions, you will not solve with the pen, you will directly solve without the pen and paper. So like this you have to make a habit. Okay, still the month is yet October. 1 month is enough to make yourself this habit. Like 2 weeks, 16, 17, maximum 20 days is enough. If you follow this process, you will become perfect in this. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye. If you're liking the, means if you are understanding the video, if you're feeling it good, please like it. That's it. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye. We'll meet in the next video. Till there, take care.